started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification button, and post down in the comments who team you're on. Team Trinity, Team Harmony, or Team Brownie. Let's get started. So guys, I'm going to be making blue slime because blue is my favorite color. And Brownie's going to be making pink slime, and Trinity's going to make some blue slime in it. With clear. Let me know if anyone needs some help, guys.
This is easy to take out.
I don't need
help. This is a lot of glue.
It's still a lot of glue in there, even if you do that. So, see that, guys? Like, all this is coming out. Let me see yours, bro. Good job.
I don't need help.
Because I have to do this and then do that to make it all come out. Because that's how, like, it's not, like, hard like the other glitter glue are. But it's hard, you know.
A lot of this. So, guys, mine is really good. This is a lot of glue. Because mine
It is a lot of glue. She got a lot of glue.
So I'm done. After the glue, everybody shaving cream.
Bro, what are you doing?
I need this.
You need shaving
you need
cream.
shaving
Oh.
cream. Let me see the shaving. So guys, thank you, Mom.
Wait.
It's not in there. That's it. So next I need something. I need this.
No, don't breathe. First mix that. Go.
I want to. Look at this. This is the most thing that helps.
More justice.
I think mine comes out good.
Try keep mixing it.
It's good. I don't know why. Mine is white slime.
Yeah.
Because I like when it goes. Got clear.
You want a little bit color?
Yeah. That's better. That's, okay, Todd.
Want a little color?
This is
So you right?
That's it.
If y'all need some, just get it because
I have no color on it. Oh, what's it now?
I don't want to put too much because you see that their colors going away. You ready, Brie?
Oh,
No.
so
No,
good.
nothing.
So I'm done with mine. Excited here.
So guys, even if I put a shaving cream, it didn't go away, hopefully. So guys, next, I think I got a dark color so my color wouldn't go away. We gotta keep mixing it.
Okay.
So I can put some activator in there.
There's some in that cup.
Oh, some in that cup?
Yeah. I mean some. Give me
Wait a
a
minute.
Give me a little bit more. Oh, thank you. Oh, it's coming out good, you guys. Oh, I need something. Wow.
Good thing that I have blue because the tie is blue as well. Working.
This is a little. It's little.
Brownie slime is coming out good. Brownie, just gotta keep mixing a little bit more, and then you can start using your hand, okay? Guys, I think I should have used more activator because I don't want my hands to be blue. You want me a little bit more
I
activator?
think mine is
Just
too hard.
That's enough.
because mine's not coming good. I guess because
I just
I
want
think mine coming
yes, Brianna got some good slime.
good. Yeah. Look at my slime though.
Gotta start using them hands, girl, because it seemed like that fork ain't working. Gotta try to get off my hand first. Oh, guys, it's working to get off my hand. Go look at my hand. Come off. Work it off.
I think mine coming good now. Okay, that's
Work it off. This is like a dark ocean blue. Well, like a sky blue. You have enough activated. You just need to start. Here, look, we gotta do this, okay? Oh, you're sticky. That's enough. That's enough. Right, put this down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think mine is too
Let me see.
thick. Oh, thank you. Look what I need. My baby. I know.
Let me see.
My other baby. It's coming thicky.
So how's your slime coming out?
Good. See, look.
I knew it was gonna turn out blue, guys.
The main part of it is not very good. Very toughy.
Let me see yours. Hold the bowl down.
But this is sticky too. Oh, my slime. Your slime doesn't look like it's good.
This is not my slime. This is very. Mine got some good slime. Just
I just
she
did
just
one
need to
this.
need to get to my slime. All right, look, Bray. It's slime. Okay. Just gotta play with it a little bit, and then I'll see the slime.
Mine is not coming out good.
You gotta play with it.
Mine is good.
I never made blue slime before, so this gonna be
I
my
never made
first
pink
time.
wine before.
Well, that's not pink slime. That's white slime.
I mean white wine, but I never made this.
Guys, this is tiring.
Sticky to me, guys. I don't know why.
But if you need a hand exercise or arm exercise, this is the thing for you. Whew. Tired.
And I'm good. Mine is coming good.
Let's get into that point.
I'm getting to that point. I'm getting to that point.
Hey.
Okay, I'm getting to that point. I'm getting to that point. I'm getting away to that point. And
Anybody need some help?
I do. I definitely do. I definitely do.
Look, bring on. Don't get off my hands, guys. Let me help you, Grace. Getting everywhere.
Don't stick to tip, but stick to my hand. I'm looking good.
Alright, let me see yours, Bray.
Sticky.
Pull your hand.
So mine is coming the best,
Let me see
y'all.
Big day.
So, guys. Oh, it's slime mess.
Oh no. So mine keep coming good enough. Look at the table. So mine is coming good. It's kind of sticky, very sticky. I could have not made one because it's kind of sticky.
Let me see yours.
Hi, that's one to my grandma to go, but I didn't want to, so I did. So sticky.
Guys, this is the exercise. Am I just like trying to get this off your hand and stuff? Let me help you.
You have this on me for me, don't you? It's okay. It's coming out on me, guys. Look at mine. I don't know why it's so thick.
Brownie, your slime is like all
Take my hand.
our tire.
And my arm. I need more. This. Tough and tough.
Your playtime's over with.
Yep. My line is over.
Great, no, don't mess with it.
So guys, this is my line.
Great.
Gotta keep playing with it. Like you gotta play with it. Keep.
No. No, Bray, no. Let me see it, Bray.
Pull. So it's kind of easy to me, guys. I don't know why I make a line, but I wanted to guys, so I'll make a line, but I don't know. Too sticky to my hands.
Let me see your hands.
They get out of my hands and the sound is boom. Why would you say that to the camera? No matter. Yours came out good. But mine came out bad. Bad. I keep saying bad. But I keep saying bad. Mine keeps on bad.
Well, guys, that's
I'll
it
be
for this
back.
video because as you see, this was a slime fail. But I actually have some good slime, guys. I do. The only one.
Peace
So
out.
let me show you guys my slime. Oh, I thought it was good.
Mine is coming good. Now I'm just trying to get it. Yeah.
So guys, that is it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on that post notification button, and we are out.
We out.